This is the first segment of our coverage from CES 2025, the year's largest high-tech exhibition. The leading robotics and artificial intelligence company, robotics, has unveiled its latest innovation, a robot named Melody, at CES 2025. Melody sets a new benchmark with enhanced functionality, adaptability, and a significantly improved user experience compared to its predecessors. Renowned for creating highly customizable robots powered by artificial intelligence, robotics focuses on enhancing human experiences through interaction, learning, and entertainment. With the introduction of Melody, the company has taken another major step toward its mission of advancing human-robot interaction. Designed to closely resemble humans in both appearance and social interaction, Melody features a groundbreaking patented skin technology. This innovation, developed over 2 decades, delivers an incredibly lifelike look and tactile feel, further bridging the gap between humans and robots. Melody is compatible with robotics' proprietary software as well as other AI platforms, including OpenAI's ChatGPT, making it versatile and adaptable for various applications. Its design is tailored for industries where close human interaction is vital, such as healthcare, education, and entertainment. Priced at approximately $150,000, Melody represents a leap forward in robotics technology, redefining the possibilities of human-AI collaboration. Another fascinating robot introduced by robotics is the renowned Arya. This model, priced at $175,000, is designed to move its limbs and navigate using a circular pedestal, resembling a mannequin on a robotic Roomba vacuum. Andrew Kegel, CEO of robotics, explained that the company's mission is to develop robots indistinguishable from humans. Arya can be customized to appear as either male or female, and the company claims it can even replicate the likeness of historical figures or celebrities. Kegel emphasized that Arya is more than just an advanced toy. It's capable of engaging in deeper, more personal interactions. The robot's eyes are not merely decorative, they house hidden cameras that enable visual recognition. This allows Arya to identify the person it's interacting with and recognize objects within its environment. For instance, if you're eating an apple, Arya might ask how it tastes. What's more, if you ever grow tired of Arya's appearance, you don't need to invest in a completely new robot. Instead, you can easily swap its face. The realistic, magnetically attached facial skin can be removed and replaced in under 5 seconds, offering a fresh new look whenever desired. As Kegel put it, you can remove and change the faces of our robots in less than 5 seconds. At CES 2025, the California-based company Intbot unveiled their humanoid robot, NLO. Designed for personal use, NLO aims to seamlessly interact with people in a home environment. One of NLO's standout features is its ability to express emotions and communicate in an informal, sometimes sarcastic style, giving it a personality reminiscent of a teenager. This is made possible through advanced multimodal language learning powered by artificial intelligence. NLO can recognize and replicate body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and even subtle micro-expressions. David Yuan, Intbot's co-founder, explained that the primary goal behind NLO's development was to create a robot that could interact naturally with humans, considering all aspects of human communication. Unlike industrial robots, NLO is specifically designed for personal settings, offering companionship, emotional support, and social interaction. Honda has unveiled prototypes of its highly anticipated electric crossover and sedan, the Honda Zero SUV and the Honda Zero Saloon. These futuristic concept vehicles, initially showcased at last year's CES, are now nearing production, with an estimated launch date on the horizon. Honda has announced plans to commence mass production in North America during the first half of 2026, followed by rollouts in Japan and Europe. Leading the charge is the Honda Zero SUV, a mid-size crossover that was first introduced as the Space Hub concept. This model will be built on a newly developed architecture designed exclusively for electric vehicles, boasting a sleek, minimalist design with a futuristic, space-age aesthetic. Next up is the Honda Zero Saloon EV, a flagship sedan characterized by its low profile and distinctive wedge-shaped design. Production for this model is slated to begin by the end of next year. Both models will feature cutting-edge Level 3 automated driving systems, enabling autonomous driving, braking, and acceleration while requiring the driver to remain ready to take control when needed. Additionally, they will come equipped with Honda's newly developed Asimo OS, an advanced operating system tailored for the next generation of electric vehicles. With these innovations, Honda is taking a bold step toward the future of electric mobility. Engine AI, a company based in Shenzhen, has unveiled 3 humanoid robot models: SE01, SA01, and PM01, each designed for diverse tasks and markets. SE01 is Engine AI's first full-scale, multi-purpose humanoid robot, developed to handle industrial tasks such as heavy lifting and precision assembly. Equipped with advanced harmonic drive modules and algorithms for reinforcement and imitation learning, SE01 demonstrates a natural gait and exceptional performance. Standing 170 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, it can perform physical activities like squats, push-ups, and even running. SA01 is designed specifically for research and educational purposes. It offers an open solution for academic institutions and learning organizations, making it an ideal platform for innovation and experimentation. PM01 is a lightweight, highly dynamic robot featuring a fully open architecture. It is built for maximum flexibility and adaptability, catering to a wide range of applications. At CES 2025 in Las Vegas, Agility Robotics unveiled its humanoid robot, Digit. Standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing approximately 65 kilograms, Digit is designed to work seamlessly alongside humans. It can carry loads of up to 16 kilograms and is equipped with advanced cameras and AI systems, enabling it to perform tasks such as lifting and transporting objects. During the exhibition, Digit showcased its capabilities in real-world scenarios, including moving boxes and interacting with its environment. One of its standout features is its ability to recharge autonomously and operate continuously for up to 16 hours, making it an ideal solution for automating repetitive tasks. Agility Robotics is also exploring the integration of large language models into Digit's AI. This advancement allows the robot to program itself in response to natural language commands, significantly enhancing its functionality and making it easier for users to interact with. Japanese companies never fail to impress with their innovative gadgets, as demonstrated at CES 2025. Among the standout exhibits was a remarkable creation by the company Guy, the world's first customizable universal robot, Mimo. This AI-powered robot has a unique design that resembles a walking coffee table with a lamp. While its exact purpose remains somewhat ambiguous, its advanced artificial intelligence enables autonomy and independent movement within a space. Mimo appears to be designed to respond to its owner's needs, such as approaching them on demand, perhaps when they're ready to enjoy their favorite book in the living room. At CES 2025 in Las Vegas, the American company Tombot unveiled Jenny, a robotic puppy designed to support individuals dealing with dementia, depression, and other mental health challenges. Modeled after a Labrador Retriever puppy, Jenny mimics the appearance and behavior of a real dog, offering companionship and comfort. Jenny is equipped with advanced features, including touch-sensitive sensors that respond to physical contact, artificial intelligence for executing voice commands, and the ability to produce realistic barking sounds. This hyper-realistic, fully autonomous robotic puppy was specifically created to aid the over 300 million elderly people worldwide who are managing dementia or mild cognitive impairments. Designed as an affordable alternative to caring for a real pet, Jenny provides a practical solution for those unable to take on the responsibilities of pet ownership. It also comes with a smartphone app that allows users to personalize their experience by changing the puppy's name and customizing interactions. Future software updates are planned to further enhance its capabilities. Jenny represents a heartwarming fusion of technology and compassion, bringing comfort and joy to those in need. The design studio, AAL Design, has unveiled its latest concept, the Quintessenza, an electric pickup that redefines automotive design. This innovative vehicle blends the elegance of a classic 2+2 Grand Tourer with the practicality of a pickup truck, creating a unique hybrid of style and functionality. The Quintessenza isn't aimed at mass production, but instead serves as a striking showcase of AAL Design's creative vision and capabilities, highlighting the potential they offer to future partners. Built on a cutting-edge electric platform, the Quintessenza features 3 powerful motors and a 150 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering an impressive 777 horsepower. This advanced system allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, merging the dynamic performance of a sports car with its groundbreaking design. While the Quintessenza will not see serial production, the concept underscores AAL Design's ambitions to make a bold impact in the United States automotive market. At CES 2025 in Las Vegas, InMotion showcased its latest innovations in personal transportation. A highlight of the event was their groundbreaking new unicycle model, which seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and enhanced features. The new unicycle captured attention with its powerful motor, extended range, and durable construction. Its design also stood out, featuring a vibrant color palette and ergonomic elements that make it both stylish and user-friendly. Equipped with LED headlights for excellent nighttime visibility, the unicycle also comes with a dedicated smartphone app. This app enables users to track key metrics such as speed, route, and battery status, ensuring a seamless riding experience. Deep Robotics recently showcased its high-performance robotic dog, renowned for its exceptional agility and precise movements. This advanced robot is designed to tackle a variety of complex tasks across multiple industries, including industrial inspections, emergency response, and exploratory missions. At the exhibition, the robotic dog captivated the audience with its impressive abilities, such as performing jumps and acrobatic tricks. It features outstanding terrain adaptability, capable of overcoming obstacles up to 80 centimeters high, navigating rough terrains, and climbing hills with ease. Equipped with cutting-edge sensors and cameras, the robotic dog can generate highly accurate real-time maps of its surroundings, making it a versatile and reliable tool for challenging environments. Tell us in the comments which technology you enjoyed the most after watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe this channel for more updates. See you in next video.